Howdy y'all, welcome to the channel. Bluegrass Trapper here. Y'all just gotta overlook my messy garage here. We moved here not long ago and I'm still working on it. But anyway, what I wanted to show y'all today, I got an order in. I ordered a bunch of trapping supplies for the 2022-2023 trapping season. And I ordered it Friday and it came in Monday, which was yesterday. Today's Tuesday, the 13th, I believe. Ordered a bunch of stuff from Hoosier trapping supplies, stuff I need to make this season happen. And then I got a couple things that I don't necessarily need, but I want it. And so I'm going to show y'all what I got here, get it unboxed. I know what I ordered, but I'm excited to get it open. Show y'all the boxes here. There's two boxes there, one big box, another box. All together there's about 131 pounds right there. So let's get them open and see what we got. And check it out. That's pretty heavy. Let me turn this camera where y'all can see it good. That's what I usually put in an order every year for trapping supplies and things I need for the season. And a lot of times I order from Hoosier Trapping Supply. I've been ordering my stuff from there for a few years. There's a lot of great companies out there you can order from. But I like to order from the same place. They've always done me well. I always got my stuff here real fast too. I do order some stuff here and there, some baits and lures and things like that from different places. Right there. Bobcat herring. I got me 8 ounces, I believe, of bobcat herring for this season. I like where they put the extra cap in there where you can squirt it out. That's awesome. Got me some Hoosier Trapping Supply stickers. And they have, I'll leave a link in the description for Hoosier Trapping Supplies. And they also have a YouTube channel. And they do podcasts as well. I'll try to leave a link for their YouTube channel and their trapping supply store. They got just about anything you could ever want for trapping and hunting as far as that goes. They do deer scents too. This is just stuff that I need for this season. There's a half a gallon of red fox here. I use a lot of fox pit in my sets. Char, a Top Dog Predator bait, 32 ounce. I've caught a lot of coyotes on this Predator bait. I've caught a lot of coyotes on a lot of different Predator bait as well. I like using a good bait, but I don't try to get too worked up on the bait because, in my opinion, as far as important trap location, trap placement, trap bedding is up here, and the bait falls somewhere down here. As long as you got some kind of bait in there, if you're in a good location, you got your trap bedded right. I got some of this, and I'll be using some of Dunlap's baits and lures as well this year. Another 32 ounce Char Top Dog O-rings. I got me 3 dozen of these O-rings, and I started using these last season, and I really like these O-rings. They work just like a key ring, and they're strong. I put them at the end of my super stakes or whatever kind of stake you're using, and run through the swivel on the trap, and I've had coyotes tear up the traps, and these rings will be fine. I'm sold on these rings. They're real simple to use, and I use them on everything. I got me another 3 dozen of those. Got me 2 10-foot number 2 chain. And I'll show you what I'm going to use that for here in a minute. Got me 2 dozen of the original Fox Hollow Super Steaks. I like them Super Steaks. It's another thing I started using last season. Got me 3 dozen of inline crunch proof swivels. Can't have too many swivels. Got me a new roll of trapping wire, number 9 wire. I use that on my snares. Sometimes I use it as a snare support, or I'll use it different ways on the snares. And this is one of the things that I didn't necessarily have to have, but I wanted to get this year. And I got me 2 of these saber-tooth drags. And that's why I got that 20-foot of chain. 2 10-foot pieces of chain and 20-foot of chain. I can set up my drags. And I'll put a swivel on here, probably middle center swivel, and then one on the end. These drags come in real handy if you're trapping close to a road or someplace like that where you want that animal to get out of sight, out of mind, and you catch them and they can get away just a little bit, far enough where they'll be off the road or away from the road. So I figured I'd give me 2 of them drags. And let's see. I think this is 4 ounces of jet fuel. This here is lure. Oh yeah, smelling good. This one's not got a real strong smell to it, but it smells good though. Yeah, buddy. Oh, there's the other dozen of the super steaks. I guess there was just 1 dozen in the other bag. Another dozen of super steaks. My old trapping trial was getting a little weak. The one I was using last year, and I know a lot of people use the auger and drill, and it works great as long as you ain't in a bunch of rocks. Usually I'm in a bunch of rocks. I got me a new trial. This is for digging dirt holes. Alright, I believe that's it in this box. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, buddy. Like Christmas, y'all. Imagine that's what's in that other box down there. I ordered me 2 more dozen of Duke 550s. I'm a big fan of Duke 550. Anybody that follows my channel or has followed my channel for any length of time knows I'm a big fan of Duke 550s. And again, it's a personal preference thing. There's a lot of great traps out there that work great. I like the wide cast jaws and the offset jaws on these, and the square pans. And most time, getting right out of the box, you ain't gonna do much to it. I already had a couple dozen I've been using, or roughly that. I gave a couple of them away to some kids last year, but so I ordered me 2 dozen more of these. And I'm sure that's what's in this box right here. Yep. The other dozen Duke 550s. Awesome, awesome. I add those to my line this season. And I believe, I don't even know what's in this box. I can't remember. Oh, I remember now. Yeah, buddy. 10 pounds of odorless trap wax. Still waxing dye. I got 10 pounds of trap wax, waxing the traps. I got me 5 bags of the logwood trap dye. Looks like, I thought I ordered 5 bags, looks like there's 6 bags in here. They may have sent me the next one. I got 2 10-pound bags of flake wax. And this is for making wax dirt. And as many of you know, if you follow me on my trap line, I've started using peat moss, and I really like peat moss, and I'm usually a peat moss kind of guy. But this year I'm going to make me a bunch of wax dirt. I'll do a video. I have a video coming up on how I'm going to make my wax dirt. And like I said, there's nothing wrong with peat moss. It works great for Kyle. It's the only problem I have. The only thing I don't like about it is there's a lot of raccoons around here where I trap, and they're nosy. They're just wired that way. If they feel something real dry like that, real soft, they can't help it. They gotta dig in it. So they'll dig and uncover my trap or flip my trap upside down. They might do it some in dirt too, but I feel like they do it more in the peat moss because that peat moss is so lightweight. You can get away from the raccoons. Peat moss will keep your traps running during harsh weather. But this year, I'm going to make me a bunch of wax dirt. We got 2 10-pound bags of flake wax. Got to go get me a couple loads of dirt and get busy on that. I'll do a video on that when I get to it. Shouldn't be too much longer. And I believe that's about it. That's all I ordered. That's got my order for the 2022-2023 trapping season. I've already got some stuff, and I may order a couple things here and there as I go along in case I forgot something. But that should get me started right here. And I appreciate all the support I've been getting on my channel here the last few days. I really appreciate that. I want to welcome all the new subscribers I picked up and thank everybody for supporting my channel. That's what motivates me to keep doing these videos. I try to do some educational videos. And I'm going to do them, I'm not going to do a video on prepping those new traps, but I'll tell you how I'll probably do it. I'll take it to the, car wash and spray them off with power soap water real good, and then spray them down with some distilled white vinegar, and that'll give them a light coat of rust real quick. And then whenever I do my old traps from last year, my dirty traps, I'll do those in a vinegar bath, and I'll probably throw these new ones in with it, and then when I wax and dye, I'll throw them all together. If you want to see how I'm going to do my old traps, I'll probably do a video on wax and dye, but I probably won't do one on the cleanup. If you want to see how I'm going to do clean up my traps, go over to Greg Wall's Georgia Trapping and Fishing. He just recently done a video on cleaning up his traps, and I'm going to use the same method he used. I'm cleaning up his. So if you go over there, I'll try to leave a link in the description for that video. Go over there and check out that video, the one Craig done, and that's how I'm going to do mine. And then I'll do a video on making the wax dirt. I'll probably do one on wax and dye when I get to it. Like I say, I appreciate everybody's support, and always get out and enjoy whatever it is you're passionate about, and I'll see y'all in the next video.